Question 22. This income tax table is used to calculate Evelyn's tax payable. Evelyn's taxable income increases from $50,000 to $80,000. What percentage of her increase will she pay in additional tax? The first thing to work out is the increase in taxable income. So her taxable income increases from $50,000 to $80,000, and the difference is found by subtracting $50,000 from $80,000. So $80,000 minus $50,000 is $30,000. The next thing we need to work out is the tax on her original taxable income of $50,000. So referring to this row of the tax table, from $45,001 to $70,000, we follow the instructions in the second column. So the tax paid is $2,500 plus 35 cents for each dollar over $45,000. And we interpret 35 cents for each dollar as 35%. So the tax on $50,000 is $2,500 plus 35% of, or times, $50,000 minus $45,000 in brackets. What's in brackets here gives us the amount over $45,000, and that equals $4,250. Next, work out the tax on $80,000. And we follow this row here of the tax table. So this is the last row. And the tax on $80,000 is $11,250 plus 52% times 80,000 minus 70,000 in brackets, and that equals $16,450. Now the additional tax is the difference between this value here and this value here. So $16,450 minus $4,250 is $12,200. So the final step is to find the percentage of her increase that she'll pay in additional tax. And that's found by taking this value here, 12,200, dividing that by 30,000, which is the additional taxable income, multiplying that by 100 to convert it into a percentage, and we get around 40.67%, which rounds to 40.7% correct to one decimal place. Therefore, the answer is option B.